Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about similarities and dissimilarities between a dream school and Call of Crops. So let's get started. At first we'll see similarities. Here there are couple of similarities. Let's see. Colorful illustrations. In English textbook, Unit 1, A Dream School, and in Science exercise book, Call of Crops. Both the books, each unit or each session has a colorful pictures you have already seen. Secondly, place, atmosphere. In both units, there is similarities based on place because if we consider place, atmosphere in a dream school and Call of Crops, that will be varied. That means dream school and crops will be varied in terms of quality by place and atmosphere. That means a school can be varied based on place, based on atmosphere. Similarly, crops of any region can be varied based on place, region, atmosphere. So this is the similarities. Thirdly, nature. You can see in both units you will experience from your English textbook, from your illustration, and in the science book, exercise book, you will see nature. There is a touch of nature. Next one, character means here persons. Both unit English and science exercise book has similarities in character, as in a dream school you will see Faria and Raihan. Both are students. Similarly, in science exercise book you will see two students, they are working with farmers. They are also students. So this is one of the similarities. Fifthly, ecosystem. Do you know what is ecosystem? We know ecosystem is the interaction between living and non-living things. In dream school, there is also ecosystem, and in Call of Crops, there is also ecosystem. How? Look, in dream school and in Call of Crops, both has ecosystem. Here in dream school, there are living and non-living things like teachers, management, develop infrastructure. In Call of Crops, ecosystem is soil, climate, plants. Now we look on dissimilarities. First one, different illustrations. You will see illustration both the books, but illustration is different based on context. What is that? In English textbook in Unit 1, A Dream School, there are different tabular form graph, bubble form graph, picture of a school pond. But in Call of Crops, you'll see there are picture of paddy, farmers with two students, mustard plot, different vegetables illustration. Secondly, number of illustration. You will see number of illustration is more than that of English textbook. We have counted that in English textbook you will see 2 pictures, but in science exercise book you will see 6 pictures. Thirdly, famous personality. In English textbook you will see there is no personality, but in science exercise book there is a scientist personality named Haripat Kapali. Now fourth one, based on term. In English book the term is a dream school. On the other hand, or on contrary, science exercise book, the term is Call of Crops. Now, based on fifth experimental based in English textbook, there is no experimental issues. But on contrary, in science exercise book, there is experimental issues like students working with farmers. They are gathering practical knowledge. Sixth one, realistic issues. In English textbook, a dream school is of imaginary aspects, but in science, its Call of Crops is practical one. Next one, discussion form. In English textbook, there is dialogue form discussion. On contrary, in science exercise book, there is no dialogue form discussion. Sixth one, main theme. In English textbook, our dream school is the outcome of thinking, but in science Call of Crops, outcome is experience. So these are the similarities and dissimilarities. I hope you have understood well. See you in your next video and keep watching. Thank you.